Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So before we'll start, two very important things. The first one, the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but to be honest, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, so you can avoid some additional charges depending on the program. And the second thing is that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account currently added to the device. If you do not have one, you can do it either by entering the Google Play Store and adding and creating a new account, or you can simply do it, if you're not sure, you can do it following our tutorial of how to add and remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so now we can move on to the Google Play Store. So let's tap on it, let's find this icon. Of course, you will have to log in and then tap on this circle, which is your account. Now we have to tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage right here. And as you can see, we've got the list of the apps which are currently installed on this device, so we have to tap on Updates Available and check which one can be updated. As you can see, in my case, I've got only 2 of them, so all you have to do is to mark the option you'd like to update. I will choose both, and then simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and our device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.